Hey everyone, I'm John.
And I'm Rhonda. For 7 years, we've lived full-time on the road, calling this RV our home. When we first started this channel, we were just like everyone else, chasing the adventure, sharing beautiful places, and navigating the highs and lows of full-time RV travel, even through the chaos of COVID.
But then the reality hit us hard.
It did.
We didn't just experience that sunset, we experienced disheartening RV and truck breakdowns.
We did.
Like right out the gate.
We
the
did.
First year.
Our first year was expensive.
Like $10,000.
Expensive?
Expensive.
Yes.
And it wasn't even our first month.
Yeah.
The kind of mechanical failures that didn't just delay a vacation, but can financially throw a serious wrench in your plans.
Mm-hmm. During those hard moments, we felt incredibly unsafe on the road. And as we looked around at the travel videos we were making, we realized something. We were just repeating what everyone else was doing. Meanwhile, we were learning firsthand how the RV industry spins promises, cuts corners, and leaves everyday people holding the bill.
We faced either quit YouTube entirely or change directions completely, which is what we decided to do.
Mm-hmm.
So we chose to stay because we care too much about the community to watch others go through what we did.
Right. We got tired of the deception of a few RV manufacturers and some RV dealerships.
And yes, we realize that people who don't have millions of dollars to throw away need someone to look out for them by finding the facts.
Mm-hmm.
We wanted to help you save your hard-earned money, protect your family, and know the absolute truth.
Yes. The RV industry spends billions on glossy brochures and dealer incentives.
But almost nobody spends a dime protecting the buyer. That's exactly why RV Watchdog exists.
Mm-hmm. If you already own an RV or you're shopping for a travel trailer right now, you could be towing a major structural hazard without even realizing it. We're not here to scare you. We are here to make sure you know exactly what to look for and what to do if your rig is affected.
Because according to federal safety databases, thousands of rigs are rolling down the highway right now with the exact safety recalls that their owners don't even know they exist.
All right. Every single week, we break down these recalls in plain English. We pull the exact manufacturer filings from the NHTSA database to show you exactly who's affected, what fails, and how to protect your family.
We focus on the hard mechanics, frame flex, chassis failures, and leaf springs that flatten out on your very first trip, or maybe a few after. We track the engineering defects that can total your rig at 65 miles per hour.
Mm-hmm. We started this channel because we watched too many buyers sign on the dotted line without knowing about the hidden defects buried deep in the fine print.
And right, most owners assume the dealer will call them if the rig has a recall. That's kind of a fallacy. But here's the catch. By the time you get that notice, your vacation has already probably been ruined.
Mm-hmm. But here's a quick fairness note within our new grading videos. A bad grade on one specific model doesn't mean an entire brand is trash. Some years and floor plans get really high marks from us. Our job is to give you the exact facts so you can make a smart, logical choice in an RV.
And in every video, we'll give you a concrete 3-step action plan along with showing you the true facts.
Mm-hmm.
We show you the defects, show you the specific VIN ranges, and tell you exactly what to say in the service desk to get the fix done for free on open recalls.
Mm-hmm. If your RV is affected by recalls, subscribe. We cover every NHTSA alert as it drops.
And if you currently own an RV, your rig shouldn't be a ticking time bomb. Check your VIN tonight at the nhtsa.gov website It will only take you just a few moments.
Right. Examine our breakdowns of the latest official recalls linked directly in the description below to see exactly how our forensic audits expose hidden manufacturing risks. Let's keep your next journey secure.